Let us solve another question which was given in GATE 2006 for 2 marks on pipelining. Here it goes. The stage delays in a 4-stage pipeline are 800, 500, 400, and 300 picoseconds. The first stage with delay 800 picoseconds is replaced with functionally equivalent design involving 2 stages with respective delays 600 and 350 picoseconds. The throughput increase of the pipeline is -%. Let us have a look at this. It's a very simple question. I need not draw any diagrams here. In the 4-stage pipeline, okay, the stage delays are 800, 500, 400, and 300. Still, let me show you. There are 4-stage pipeline, 800, 500, 400, and 300. Okay. Now, the first stage with a delay of 800 picoseconds is replaced with the functionally equivalent design involving 2 stages with respective delays 600 and 350 picoseconds. You know that more stages, more speed up, less stages, less speed up. So obviously, whenever you want to update your pipeline, you will definitely upgrade your pipeline with more number of stages. Here, the designer decided to go for a 5-stage pipeline in which the first stage is divided into 2 equivalent stages. With the delays 600 and 350. Okay, remaining are one and the same, that is 500, 400, and this is 300. And now, here, simple look at this. Within no time, we are going to finish this one off. Here, what is TP? TP is equal to, again, go to the maximum stage delay. Maximum stage delay is 800. Here, what is the TP? TP is equal to 600. In the next stage, in the next pipeline, TP is equal to 600. All right. So now the thing is, the speed up. How much speed up you observed here? By a 200 picoseconds, speed up has been increased. Earlier, one instruction used to take 800 picoseconds. After the first instruction, all the other instructions will take just 800 picoseconds. But here, after the first instruction, each and every instruction is going to take just 600 picoseconds because TP is equal to 600, that is the maximum stage delay. Now here, it is the pipeline performance has been increased by a 200 picoseconds. Take the percentage of this 200 in the updated pipeline, in the updated TP. So 200 and 600 will be equal to 33.33%. That is the answer. So just find it out. How many picoseconds it has been improved? Just take the percentage of this, the improved picoseconds, in the updated version of pipeline's TP. So you will get the answer. That is 33.33. The pipeline performance has been improved by 200 picoseconds. Okay, in a pipeline which has a TP of 600. So 200 and 600 is equal to 33.33%. This is the answer.